Well, it's not raining that hard.
No, it stopped. It came and went.
As soon as it came in, oh
the You know why that happens? Because light's faster than sound, so you see the flash and then you hear the sound.
Feels right here.
Yeah.
Here, write this number down on your phone.
Let me find it real quick.
395 8163. It's about to die. It's about to die.
What up? Oh, look, I got text. That's okay. I'll find the quickest. I got all my shit locked. Wait, it's gonna take a while. I really got all my shit locked. What up?
What do you mean?
I have locks for every app.
Shut the fuck up.
Every
thing you want?
Yeah.
Okay, write it down somewhere. Oh. 925. You got it now or not?
No.
Sylvester!
What do you want me to do?
You cleared up right here.
You're ready?
You got that one too.
Okay, what is it?
925?
925
395
395
81
81
63.
63.
There, you're
You really think that's my number? Like, call this number.
But it's backwards.
What the fuck is this?
Can you write it down before it clears up?
Yeah, wait up.
I don't want to get struck by lightning.
395 81 63. Got it. What do I promote? Okay. Oh, you can do it.
I thought this thing had wipers in the back.
Does it? But it has a thing for the back, doesn't it?
Not that thing.
What is it?
Don't call me, don't rap me. Cause I be in a strap, nigga. I'm trying to up a box and I'm black, nigga. I heard they wanna do a background check. I got a meal in the cut, that's a background check. Why try to count my pockets and get mad when I hit him with the I ain't got it. Gave you the game, now you think you got it. I y'all I'm out, hold up in the ride, in the ride. Dog till the catch is like one of those old songs. Fight me outside, fight me outside, fight me outside. You should have seen how hold up in the ride, in the ride, in the ride. Got two motherfuckers wanna fight me outside, fight me outside, fight me outside. I just do my dance and cut my plans and twist my fingers with my hands. Just do my dance and cut my plans and twist my fingers with my hands. I just do my dance and cut my plans and twist my fingers with my hands. Just do my dance and cut my plans and twist my fingers with my hands.
Watch shit. Come and don't twist my fingers. Look at your clocks, people. You're just minutes away from me getting a chance to put a grand in your hand and get a chance to fly them down to Miami. How you got it? Money, flyways, and hang with the weekend. Comes up
it's not raining over there.
Zombie!
There's always nice weather over
I need jalapeno nachos, flaming hot Cheetos, and a new
It
spicy
just
barbecue
comes and
rib
goes like
sandwich
a
from A&P.
motherfucker.
Why? I'm saving his life, man.
You'd be like
A new
this, and
spicy
then
barbecue rib
clear
sandwich
just
an
covered in
hour,
savory
yeah.
barbecue sauce has the spicy sustenance he needs to get back his
But it's
humanity.
hot as shit in the summer. It's really humid.
You gonna use those?
I feel like it's worse there than Mexico because in Mexico there's no water, so it's not humid. It's just
Yeah.
hot.
Over there, the whole state is below sea level.
Here we go. Didn't have a helicopter or a fridge full of lobster. Now he does drawn butter too.
Why is there traffic this way? Something happened.
Now he does illegally.
I think people just go hella slow.
He just had a dollar bill. Got himself a mega meal. Now he's living high on the hill of cash. Imagine what a buck could do. Mega Millions from the California Lottery. Jackpot now over 140 million. Please play responsibly. Must be 18 or older to play. Critics are raving about the Peanuts movie.
Look out, world, here I come.
It's an irresistible crowd pleaser.
I don't want to watch that.
Best family films.
What would I do?
You know what looks hella funny? The one Seth Rogen and the black guy and then the Don John. The Christmas movie. He's about to have a kid. It's almost our last Christmas that we can spend. That's what looks hella funny. So I just hop off right here.
Yeah.
This is the nigga that was going, oh shit.
The phone's about
That one too?
yeah.
Shut up.
Yeah.
Your car doesn't even accelerate fast. It
Huh?
doesn't get.
Oh no,
I don't
it's
know,
traction.
yeah. Yeah, but I don't think there's gonna be cars because not a lot of people went to work, huh? You gonna switch lanes on me? Why the fuck you switch lanes? I driven in the rain one time worse than this. Like
What?
last year. Bad, like couldn't see shit. Like nothing. And I was in my Jeep, and you know how my Jeep windshield wiper sucks?
Yeah. What the? I need some new ones for my car. My mom's like, oh, why don't you treat your car nicer? Because like, it's not my car. So you drive it 10 times more than I ever did when I was working. And I still had to pay for all the changes. Yeah. And she was like, well, it's yours. And no, when it's under my fucking name.
The Honda?
No, when I get a car under my name, I'm treated all nice. You get me?
Well, when did she tell you that? What do you mean?
The other day, it's because Joaquin fucking washes cars every week. You get me? Fucking every fucking week.
Remember that time it hailed and it almost looked like snow? Like,
Yeah.
like the ground was covered like that. The clothes I already came from snow and big one.
Oh, I miss the snow.
I don't
Let's
know.
go in January.
Where?
Up north. Going towards Reno.
Take my kids to snow.
Yeah.
I haven't gone since I was hella little.
Bro?
Hella little. I have pictures like I think Joel was like my kid's age. That's the last time I went there. I think it was when you went to Mexico.
Oh,
You know, last year we went over there to where my aunt's from, Visalia.
Yeah.
It's like kind of by LA. Because in LA, like parts of LA snow, like more like this way.
Yeah, it smells hella nice.
But here it doesn't snow. Why?
Huh? The
Why
smog.
Smog?
Yeah.
For real?
Yeah, it fucked up the atmosphere so much it doesn't snow. It used to snow here.
People told me that they used to live right here in Bay Point. Like
Snow.
old people that used to snow.
Yeah. Last time snow a little bit. 90s.
For real.
Yeah.
Too many cars.
Too many cars.
People.
Because we're the same line as New York.
Shut up.
Yeah, and New York fucking snow all the fucking time.
Wait, but what the fuck? They have hella. Oh, but they use a lot of. They walk everywhere, huh?
Yeah.
There's too many people.
Yeah. And they live on a fucking island.
There's no point in using the car.
Yeah.
They take the subway or what?
No, this here said that hella, we have hella shit here, that's why.
What do you mean?
All these factories.
That's because we have hella land. That's why they're like, there's a good place to put businesses.
So let's stop snowing here. And they go away to Reno and
Mount snows sometimes.
it's cold as fuck.
It snowed a little bit last year. A little bit. My uncle went.
It was like a river, like a little river.
Does it snow in Yosemite?
No, the water
Just freezes?
freezes, yeah.
The right-hand lane
That's why.
remains blocked, and it's backed up out of Walnut Creek from South Main Street.
That's why it's blocked.
Join me and Daniel Street for the credit card.
Oh, I'm so glad I didn't have to go to work today. I was gonna get like an hour of fucking traffic, dude. I was gonna leave right now. Yeah, I have to leave right now. And I wouldn't even know if I wasn't out right now. I wouldn't know there was something.
I'm going home, I'm going to work, Mom.
Be there at 6. Huh? He has the white van with the fucked up back.
Oh,
we took his little brother to his house a couple times.
Took his brother to his house?
Yeah. We were driving in your van a long time ago, and he was with one of his other friends. And then he was like, "Okay, give me a ride." And then I was like, "Oh yeah." Nah.
When, like, how does his brother look?
His little brother?
Yeah.
He's kind of skinny. He was kind of chunky back then. Now he's skinny as shit. I think it's our old street, but I'm not sure. You need a ride? Never mind.
It's high school.
This is all. No, next one.
Yeah.
Looks like it's nighttime already. Right here? No.
That's our house. Bernard's house.
Yeah, this house?
Yeah.
Get a chance to go down to Miami. Doing a whole lot, man. Ain't over though. Still got some
Yeah.
songs coming. I'm gonna give you the right hand and some other treats. So let's get like this. Flex on them one time.
Oh, my phone died. I mean, I told him I was sorry,
That one there.
but... Yours too?
Yeah. Sounds like him.
Huh?
It sounds like him. Man. Oh, it fits perfectly. Let's see if it's recording now. I'll just assume it's recording.
Watch, take it off.
Huh?